How to restore mouse cursor back to default setting. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu, go to the search option and there you simply need to type Control Panel. Once you see the application's name, simply click on Open. Shortly when the control panel's window will open on your screen, there you need to search for hardware option or simply you can see directly the option of mouse. Once you click on it, in the mouse properties, go to pointer. Then after, at the bottom, you see the option of use default. Simply click on it and click on apply. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to restore mouse in the default setting. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.